Hi, my name is Jasmine Smith. I am a teacher's assistant slash 101 at a school for kids with disabilities. I am also in the process of becoming an RBT, which stands for Registered Behavior Technician. I'm very excited to do that because it will allow me to understand disabilities better, and it will give me better experience with working with people with disabilities. What I enjoyed learning in other courses is, with my previous class, we just did a fake agency project, and we used a data set on Excel, and we learned how to do different calculations with that. I really enjoy doing that every week. And I know that one day doing data sets in Excel will come in handy, so I really like doing it. Um, for this course, I am not looking forward to the trainer discussion boards, but I am certain that I will learn a lot from it. Thank you.